my channel. If you're not new, welcome back. I am Ashley Michelle and I'm back again with another video, and I'm here with this long awaited makeup tutorial. So a couple people actually been asking me about like what I use on my face and this, that, and the third. So what I said was, you know what, I'm just gonna do a video, show you what I use and how I use it. So I don't think I have anything really to say. I don't think I really have too much to say except for stay blessed, stay safe, and stay tuned. Alrighty, you guys, so we're starting off on fresh, clean, moisturized skin. Obviously my brows are already done here. I do my brows off camera because it takes too long, and my eyes are primed. So we're going in with this Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to take this brown shade that's super dug out, and I'm going to take a Morphe M33 brush. It's dense, but it's still fluffy, so I can like pack and diffuse. So really do love this brush. But all I'm doing here is making sure that that coverage of that eyeshadow is given a gave, and then I'm going to make sure as I go that it is diffused out and I don't see any streaks, any patchiness, because that's not cute. It's not cute. All right. Obviously what you do to one side you must do to the other, so I'm also just gonna go on this side and make sure that the shadow is very opaque, it's no patchiness, no streakiness, and that it all just looks really good and really blown out. Y'all see these locks in this video? They were cute while they lasted. They're not in my head now. Y'all, I was super duper tight because I really tried my best to film those locks. Like, I had the footage and everything, but it just wasn't it wasn't the quality I want to put out into the world, and I was so pissed off. I'm gonna do the style again, but I was super duper pissed off. But anyway, I'm using the Better Than Sex Too Faced mascara for my lashes. This is like my favorite like mascara of all time. It really does my little baby lashes some justice. Not too much, because you know it's really nothing there. My main goal was to just make sure that my lashes were black, because as you can see on my other eyes, concealer and stuff, I was talking shit because I was watching B and Mary Jane. But yeah, look at my little baby lashes. So now I'm going to take my Duo Clear Brush On Adhesive and put on my lashes. They're so pretty, so cute. These are no brand lashes, so yeah, but they're super cute. So now onto skin, I'm going to use this dry skin cream from Pond's, and I'm just going to make sure that I put that all over my face. I know that my skin was already moisturized, I said that in the beginning, but my skin be acting like it's super duper dry when it's like cold out, so I be having to do the most. So yeah, just make sure that I moisturize again, and I also use cortisone cream that's like medicated, because my skin, as you can see, be breaking out and I be popping them things because I don't play when it comes to bumps. I don't. So now for primer, I'm going to take the Milk Hydro Grip. Love this stuff. But I'm just rambling. Let me stop, y'all. I'm just going to smooth that out. And then I'm going to take my NARS Natural Radiant Longwear. This is really my favorite right now. I'm in the shade Macau. Yo, that girl at Sephora said, "This is your shade." She looked at me through my mask and it was like spot on. But yeah, I really do like this foundation. It is more of a natural radiant, as is in the name. But you know, I can get down with it. I usually like mine to be like more full coverage, speckle, giving very much cake, but this is good too. This is really good. So I'm just gonna blend that out, and then I'm gonna come back. So here I was just trying to let y'all see that I just put some on the back of my hand just to give myself a little bit more extra coverage in like my cheek area, because that's where I get the majority of my blemishes. So like I was saying before, it's more of a natural finish with this foundation, but it's buildable. So that's why I can really get down with it. That's why I can get in with the get down. Now for concealer, I'm going on my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Deep. And I'm just going to put that under my eyes. Y'all, I really was just talking to the TV like Mary Jane could hear me. All right, she could hear me because I was talking this whole video. I was just talking my shit. But yeah, I'm gonna put that under my eyes. I'm gonna put it on my forehead. I'm also going to put some, if I would just hurry up, I'm also gonna put some on my chin, and that's it. So I'm gonna take this Sonia Kashuk sponge that is damp with water, and I'm going to blend out my chin and then blend out my under eyes, and then I'm gonna go up to my forehead. So now to set, I'm going to take my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm going to also take my Sonia Kashuk sponge and just make sure that I'm setting out. I don't bake, I really just set, like I just put the powder there and I blend it into the skin until it's nothing there. I've never baked, honestly, because I personally always got flashback. So yeah, I'm just setting right now. I love a matte face. This is like one of my favorite parts of makeup. I just love when it all comes together and just all nice and matte. And the Sacha really gets. I was pissed, y'all. I was so mad. Oh my goodness, what's going on? What was going on? That show is crazy though. It's like my 4th time watching the whole series. I know the show was crazy, but you would have thought that this was my first time watching. But now the bronze, I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty. I thought this transition was so cool. Look at me looking stupid. It's upside down. But this is the Fenty Beauty bronzer in Coco Naughty. Y'all, I know I said setting was my favorite part, but this is like my favorite part. I love bronzing. Oh my goodness, just adding that depth and dimension into your face. It's top tier. It's a top tier experience, truly. So just to do some light contouring, I'm going to take those 2 shades on the Morphe E4 brush, and I'm really going to make sure that those shades really stay like literally in my hairline. As you can see, I'm really going over my hair. My main thing with like adding depth and dimension is like my contour stays like on the very perimeter of my face, and my bronzer kind of meets up more with my setting powder. It just makes sense for the ombre to go like that, like in my opinion. So now I'm just going back over it with my bronzer brush to make sure everything is blended and stuff. Look at that fat thing. I look cute though. I'm just gonna go back in with my Fenty bronzer, and I'm gonna do some light nose contouring. Not really contouring, you guys, really not. Just trying to bring her back to life, because she does kind of get washed out with all of the setting powder and stuff. So yeah, I'm not really gonna try and snatch her because I like the shape of my nose. I really do. She's just super cute. I love my nose. So yeah, I'm gonna go over her natural shape with some bronzer, and then in the next couple clips you're gonna see me going in with those same 2 shades I used to contour and doing the same thing. Okay, so I'm just gonna take literally that much powder, just a tiny bit, just to go underneath like where my bronzer is, just so that the whole face is matte, because I don't like when my makeup starts to look all messy and just like, I don't know how to explain it. I want to say gooey. Like, I hate that. It just makes me want to throw up. But yeah, I just want to make sure that everything is set and matte and, you know, just no shine. Don't like that. So yeah, I do this. And again with the bronzer brush, y'all, I fixed literally every problem in my life with this bronzer, I promise you. So now I hit on Blistex. I'm just wiping off a majority of that because I thought I was going to start on my lips, but I had forgot my eye detailing. So right now I'm going to go in with, if it'll come up, come on, I know you're coming. What was I doing? Come on. Okay, I just said I'm pissed. I can't stand myself. I'll go in there with this Black Bean Jumbo eye pencil. I need somebody to tell me if I can sharpen this or not. Like, cause I tried to twist it, like, well, not on camera, but I was trying to twist it and it wasn't coming up. No more was coming up. So what do I do? Do I sharpen it? Like, that's a serious question. I'm gonna take this Anastasia palette, this Anastasia and Alyssa Edwards palette, and I'm just gonna take the shade Beast. It's that black in there, just to set down that NYX liner so that everything, like I said, is not gooey and it's matte and everything is set down. You could barely see this eye, but I really didn't show the other eye because you couldn't see anything. Like, my fat hand was in the way, but you can see what I'm doing, just setting it down. So now I'm done, and I think after this, yeah, I'm gonna go back in with my Better Than Sex, and I'm going to get those little baby lashes under my eyes. This is really my favorite. I don't know what it is about this wand that really just makes it the easiest for me so far, like with the ones that I've used, to get my lower lashes. Like, I've tried the Tarte Man Eater, I've tried the hair store ones, obviously, who doesn't try the hair store ones, and I tried the Fenty Beauty mascara, but none of them really, like, get those baby lashes under there how I get them, how the Too Faced gets them. I don't understand. Like, you see how good they look here? Wow. So now I'm going to take this Kiss Professionals lip liner, and this is in the shade Dark Brown, and I'm just going to line my lips. This is my favorite, all-time favorite lip combo, you guys. Like, I don't think anything is topping this. Like, right now, nothing is topping this for me, really. So I'm just going to line my lips, and then I'm going to blend it out just by, you know, touch my lips together like that. Yeah, real cute, real cute. So this is the e.l.f. Lip Plumping Gloss in the shade Sparkling Rose. It's just the perfect pink. Like, it is the perfect pink. I take that and I really concentrated on the center of my lips. It doesn't really look too good when I put it over top of the brown. I don't know why, it just doesn't look right to me. So I'm gonna do that, put on as much as I think I need, blend it out, and then I'm gonna go in with some clear gloss. Usually I'm using one like out of the little thing from like the hair store, but I couldn't find any, so I'm just gonna use this one. I really don't know what brand it was scratched off. Actually, it's not. I can see it a little bit. I think it's Revlon. But either way, it's just a regular clear gloss. I'm just going to put on as much as I want because you can't go wrong with gloss. You can put on as much as you want. That's the rule. And then after that, literally, I'm done. There's nothing else that I do. So now all I have to do is change. Alright, you guys, we're out of voiceover mode, baby. I just really didn't want to sit through this whole video and talk you guys' heads off. I think voiceover is very much better to keep me structured and to the point because a lot of people actually were asking about this look. So I feel like this has to be very informative and we don't have any time or space for my crap. This quality came out better than the last one because the other one ate shit. But yes, if you have stayed to this point, you're a trooper. If you stayed to the end of any of my videos, then you know I express my love and appreciation and gratitude for you guys who stay to the end. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one.